The phrase bark at the moon comes from a time when people lived on farms and worked with animals. Farmers would sometimes see their dogs barking at the bright full moon in the night sky. The dogs made a lot of effort, but of course the moon never responded. This is where the expression comes from. It means doing something that is useless or has no effect. Short explanation. Today, we use bark at the moon to describe any situation where someone is doing something that won't work or can't change anything. It means that their efforts are wasted and the results will not be successful. Maybe you're trying to convince a friend to come to a party, but they absolutely refuse. You could say, "I've been inviting her all week, but it's like barking at the moon. She's just not interested." This time, barking at the moon means it won't make any difference how much you plead. Your friend won't come. Example 2. Mike, did you hear that Susan is trying to convince the boss to let her work from home full-time? Jenny, that's like her barking at the moon. The boss has a strict policy against remote work, so she'll never agree to it. In this example, barking at the moon means that Susan's efforts to convince the boss are completely futile and pointless, just like a dog barking at the distant moon. Her request has no chance of being accepted, so she is wasting her time. Conclusion. So the next time you see your friend wasting his time on a lost cause, don't hesitate to tell him you're just barking at the moon.